Some homes are built to impress. Others are built to disappear. Hidden among dramatic Mediterranean cliffs stands an extraordinary private estate where architecture and nature exist as one. As the coastline slowly reveals itself, the true scale of the residence begins to emerge. Every terrace, every level, and every window has been carefully positioned to celebrate the landscape instead of competing with it. Stepping inside, the atmosphere changes immediately. Warm natural stone, handcrafted walnut, and walls of glass create spaces filled with light, comfort, and timeless elegance. At the heart of the home, an extraordinary gourmet kitchen becomes the gathering place for family, friends, and unforgettable evenings. Every detail reflects craftsmanship without excess. The living and dining spaces flow effortlessly toward the sea, where breathtaking views become part of everyday life. Beyond them, the private owner's suite offers perhaps the greatest luxury of all: complete peace. The journey continues through a world-class wellness retreat featuring an indoor spa, sauna, steam room, and cold plunge, all designed to restore both body and mind. Nearby, a private collector's lounge reflects a lifetime of passion, while a hidden garage quietly showcases an exceptional collection of automobiles. As evening falls, a private cinema offers the perfect place to end the day. And as the estate begins to glow beneath the setting sun, one thing becomes clear. This is more than a remarkable home. It is a masterpiece of architecture, craftsmanship, and imagination. Thank you for joining us on Elite Perspective TV. We'll see you in the next extraordinary destination.